Oh my gosh, what am I doing right now? I should really take off and see the amazing place in Munnar. Come along with me. We'll go and see outside. Let's go.
Is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go.
Wow. Charming, isn't it? You can see that the water is flowing from the mountains and the tall, lush green trees and surroundings. This feels like a blissful to me. Wow. You should stick with me to see the amazing places in Munnar. Cheers. As I told you that we are in Munnar, and right now I'm standing in front of a resort, and this is also a mana, that means a Kerala traditional house. Like my forefathers or forebearers, they have constructed the similar house. So we will go and see that what exactly is there inside the house. Okay, so we'll go there.
No words describe your savage life.
This is a calling bell, the traditional calling bell, and normally this sort of mana we have got 3 bedrooms and 1 kitchen, and it's pretty small in size, so it can easily accommodate 1 family. So this is the main room. If you can notice that, you know what, this stuff is a little bit higher than this wood panel, is a little bit higher than the floor, and we have to go like this way. And this is going to be the master bedroom. Right now they have refurbished in the spa, and this is a traditional Ayurvedic treatment place for massage and other sort of stuff. And this is that steam. This is how we are going to take the steam bath, a traditional way how we have taken the treatment from this sort of an Ayurvedic center. And it has got a bathroom attached. These are lights. I want to hit the lights. So these are the lights. So this is the toilet, and it's very spacious and stuff. Okay, come, we'll move to the next one. Next one. Oops. All the front portion of this mana is made of wood. There is no bricks in it. And you know what? This is the traditional way they've been constructing mana. All we have got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 8 pillars, and the rest of the stuff is made of, the front portion is made of wood. Maybe the ceilings as well. If you just see that, the ceilings. This is how they have been constructing mana in the earlier times. This is a second bedroom, like I said, and right now they have restored as a jacuzzi or jacuzzi stuff for this is a part of the spa. And yeah, actually this is a second room, maybe it's a second bedroom with dining hall. That's the concept they have at that point of time. And this is supposed to be a kitchen area, supposed to be a kitchen, and this is where the old times that people were cooking food and stuff. Now let's go on to the next room.
Is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom.
So this is the last room, and right now they've been using it for reception purpose. And this is Arjun, right?
Yes.
This is Arjun. He's the one who's doing the massage therapy and stuff. So how are you doing? You good, right? Yeah. Now that's it for this part. We are at Munnar. Right now, we are standing at the Echo Point. Are you wondering that why it is called Echo Point? Because if you are making a loud shout, our sound waves are going to go and hit the mountains over there, and the sound is gonna get back. So that's how this place is called Echo Point. Apart from that, this place is really very beautiful. You can see that lush green trees, tall trees are on the other end. It's just like a straight line, and in between the water is rippling, and so silent atmosphere over here. Amazing place. What else I can say? So this is one of the major tourist destination in Munnar. Hey guys, this is tea time. Have you seen this amazing place? Beautiful lush green tea estate. This is Munnar tea estates. We have got hectares and hectares of land spread in this beautiful mountain. And in between, you can see that they have planted the tall silver oak trees. Do you know why? These trees over there, they can prevent landslides, maybe soil erosion. So that is the reason they have planted the trees here and there to prevent landslides.
Where the rain is warm and the birds fly.